Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to change the Discord password if you forget it. So firstly, you need to open the Discord on your phone or any device you are using. And once you are on the Discord, you need to tap on the top left corner menu icon and come back to this page. On the bottom right corner, you will see the profile icon. Simply tap on it and tap on the account here and tap on password here. Here you need to enter your current password, then only you can enter your new password. So it is not possible to change the password here directly from the Discord. So what you need to do is go to the Google and here you need to search for Discord login. You'll be appeared in this page where on the screen you can find the login option. Simply tap on it and you will be access to this page. Tap on sign in on top right corner, you can see. Simply tap on it and you'll be access to this sign in into the Discord. So you need to enter your email here, and if you forgot and if you want to change your password, then simply you need to tap on forgot password link. Let me show you. Tap on forgot password now and here you need to enter your email. Once you enter your email, you need to tap on submit. Once you submit the email, then you need to check your email for a reset link. And if you don't find the email in your inbox, then you need to check your spam folder. And next, it is shown that if you don't have an account, you won't get an email. Sign up instead. So on the email, you need to check and you can find the recover password link. From there you can easily change your password of the Discord if you forgot it. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Thank you.